Hi, future CPAs. Confused about the new CPA evolution or which discipline to pick for your next exam? Are you struggling with the topics such as leases, bonds, and bank reconciliation? Don't worry, I have got you covered. So, this is gonna be a quick and focused video around these topics. You're watching Talks with Suvam, and let's begin the video. So guys, CPA evolution has changed a lot of things. Before CPA evolution, when I gave my exams, there were 4 mandatory subjects, which was FAR, Audit, Regulations, and BEC. But now you have 6 subjects. Don't worry, there are only 4 subjects that you need to give. So there are 3 core subjects still, which is FAR, Regulations, and Audit, which you need to give. But there is a 3 more subjects options that you get. Good, right? So out of the 3 options that you have like TCP, which is related to tax. One is BAR, which is related to reporting, business analysis and reporting. And the third one is ISA, which is related to information systems and controls. Now, which one? So out of the 3 subjects, you can choose any one and you can give your exam. Now, which one to go for? A good tip and a very simple one is if you love tax, then go for TCP. If you love information technology and you are tech savvy, then go for ISC. But if you are into accounting field and you have done accounting in your bachelor's or you have done in master's, then go for BAR. It overlaps with some of the subjects in FAR and it is going to be a lot easier for you. So my personal suggestion will be go for BAR, but again, as per your career goals, go for tax, go for ISC, or go for BAR. But let's continue with the next section. So guys, before we move forward with the 3 hot topics of FAR, which is bonds, leases, and bank reconciliation, I just want to say that if you like the video, please like it, subscribe the channel, it's free, and also comment down below. I'm gonna be covering these topics in a much summarized way, but if you want me to cover this in detail using some excels or something else, please give the suggestions below and I can do that in the next video. I'm also going to be attaching a PDF version of the whole summarized with the journal entries, which can be helpful to you, so check it out in the description. I've attached a link to that. So let's begin with the first topic, which is bonds. So let's begin with bonds. Students often get confused with the word amortization. Let me tell you, there's nothing to be worried about. Now, if a bond is issued at a premium or discount, you have to amortize the interest expense on that using the effective interest method. Now, this has been covered in the PDF below, so do check it out. But for example, bond issued on premium, amortize the premium. Journal entries: debit interest expense, debit premium, and credit cash. Now do check out the PDF, you will understand a little bit better. Now let's move to the next topic, which is leases. Now we're talking about the topic lease, which is covered under ASC 842. Now all type of leases except the short term one go into the balance sheet now. There's no off the balance sheet now. Now there are 2 types of leases. One is operating and one is financing. Operating lease is like pure rental, and financing lease covers mainly like right to buy the asset, correct? Like buying the asset eventually. So the initial entry will be right to use asset, debit, and credit the lease liability, and then accordingly allocate the expenses depending on the type of the lease, which is operating or financing. Now this is covered again in the PDF, so do check it out and hopefully that will help you more. Now we're going to move forward with bank reconciliation. Now bank reconciliation, I know it sounds very easy, but let me tell you, students do mess it up because they don't align both the sides. Now always consider outstanding things for the bank side, and for the books always consider interest and charges. Don't mess it up, just align both the sides. Now these topics are very hot for the CPA 2025 exams. These are being tested, so do understand the journal entries. Do understand the logic. I always tell, like, understand the concept and you are golden. So understand the logic, understand the journal entries and why these are working and how it is working. Lease liability, right to use asset, financing and operating lease, bonds, amortization, effective interest method. These all things are very important, but once you understand, then it is like so easy to do this. So in the PDF I've covered this topic, so hopefully that will help you to understand more. Let me know if you want me to make a detailed video around these topics, and I can do that as well. So guys, now we are coming to the end of the video. I hope this topics would help you in some way. Do check out the PDF, that might help you. Do share this video with your friends who are having difficulty in choosing a discipline, or share with a group of people who think this video might help. And I hope this video would have helped you to understand which discipline to go for. Always be smart about things and do it in a very logical way. Now I'm gonna end this video, and hopefully you would have learned something from this. So see you in the next video. Keep learning, be smart about learning. Bye guys, see you later.